Hey everyone, my name is Bosco and I belong to the Cardanistas stake pool, and I'm gonna show you a very easy and simple tutorial so how you can vote for the SundaeSwap ISO using any Cardano wallet. I'm gonna use ANY as demonstration. You can use any Cardano wallet. So you go to this website, the link is gonna be on the description of this video. You click on here, vote for SPO. You click on here. The vote one, we're gonna vote for cards, which is the Cardanista stake pool, the pool that I belong to. You click, you select. The second pool we're gonna vote for AWR. It's another Brazilian stake pool that has a very good job. So we're gonna support them. AWR, you can support right here. Click on them. And once you get to this number, you need to copy the same exactly number. Doesn't change. You need to copy the same exactly number. And you're gonna send this amount of Ether to yourself. So I have my URI open right here. We're gonna send for ourselves. I'm gonna send to myself, and that's how the vote's gonna work. So I copy my address, I go to send, I paste my address, I'm gonna send to myself, I come back here, I copy the same amount, has to be the same amount, otherwise it's not gonna work. You paste right here, I'm waiting for calculate the fees, you press next, and then you see here the exactly amount, you see here the fee. I'm gonna put my password and then I'm gonna press send. Once you put your password, you just press send. And that's it, guys. Very easy and simple. Just choose your first option, cards, your second option, and send the exactly amount to yourself. Thank you for voting on Cardanista. Until the next video. Bye.